Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix missing executable file on Steam. You may face this issue while downloading any game on Steam, so let's get started and see how to fix it. First, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now let's take a game for example. Here I have Counter-Strike 2. The first method is to right click on the game, then choose properties, then go to installed files, then tap on verify integrity of game files. And this will take a couple of minutes. As you can see here, it's loading. We're almost done. And once you finish, you can close this tab, then go down, exit Steam and restart it, then try again and the issue may be fixed. Now, if you're still having the same problem, the second way to fix this issue is to go to your PC, then go to the C driver, program files x86, then search for Steam, click on it, app cache, then delete all the files in this folder. Delete them all. After deleting all the files, you should restart your PC either by clicking on the restart button on your case or even go down and restart from the Windows. After that, the problem will be fixed. I hope it works with you all, and I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching and see you in new videos.